ever wondered where you can get bulk products, customized and to your liking, quality and top-notch? Well, let me tell you. You can find them on Alibaba.com, which is the world-leading global B2B trading e-commerce marketplace. First, you'll create a free account with Alibaba.com and you'll sign in to your account. Once you get signed into your account, I'm going to go ahead and walk you through how to navigate around the site. If you hover over My Alibaba, you'll see different links such as My Orders, My Account, and different resources you can use to access certain information. Over here in the messages, you can message the vendors and easily access those. Under Orders, you can see your pending payment and confirmations as well as actions. Alibaba has over 40 major categories to choose from and look for products. Alibaba.com also has ready-to-ship products, and you can access trade show information, which is where suppliers will advertise their products. Alibaba.com also has a personal protective equipment tab, which offers gloves, masks, and other protective equipment. The Source on Alibaba tab gives you different options for services to help with your purchase. Trade Assurance, which is a free service offered by Alibaba that's designed to help create trust between buyers and suppliers. Production monitoring and inspection services are services such as tracking and reporting of production services as well as inspection of the production site for an additional fee with Trade Assurance. Alibaba.com has the world's largest digital freight platform, which includes assistance with the freight-related inquiries such as booking, visibility, and organization. Letter of credit is a way to get your products and pay later with a simple incentive to pay the supplier by an agreed-upon date. This process is handled between the buyer, buyer's bank, and supplier. You can also sell on Alibaba as a global seller, Chinese seller, or join the partner program. There's also a help tab to help buyers and suppliers with anything they need. Alibaba.com also has a mobile app, which is great for those on the go. You can monitor your orders and message suppliers as well as look for inventory. Very easy to use, and I'm glad I can access Alibaba.com in the palm of my hand. Alibaba.com allows users to update their regional settings, which adjust to where they are located in the world. You can update your country, you can also update the language, and you can also update the currency. You also have quick access to ship to information. So let's go ahead and search. You can search by products or suppliers. I'm going to search for lip gloss packaging. As you can see, there are different categories of packaging, which separates at the top of the page. Let's go ahead and click this first one. So here you can see you're able to contact the supplier by call or chat, and you can also see their pricing based on minimum order quantity, as well as supplier statistics on the right side. You're also given products that you may like based on your search, and under company highlights you're given an overview of the production site and company as well. You have product information as well as a product display via video where you can see the product being held, turned around, and more. If you're thinking about starting an online or physical business, I suggest taking a look at Alibaba.com first. See what products they have to offer and buy.